So now for this, we're gonna add additional module, which is gonna be set variable. So the tools, set variable, and I'm gonna name the variable replaced source. And the value is gonna be a function which basically replaces, it's gonna replace this with an empty string. So what is going to return? Just this without additional source. So how we're going to do that is we're going to go click here and we're going to find the replace function like so. Then we're going to paste the result from the responses module. Over here, what we're going to do is add the fallback match, and over here we're gonna add an empty string. So how this works, it takes the result, it looks for that thing, that weird string, the source, and it replaces with an empty string. That's why the function is called replace.